we move through our healthy eating programme, we are now going to look at eating colourful foods and why that's important. In summary, the more colourful the foods you eat, the better. I would like you to keep that idea in hand as you put together the food this week for yourself and for your family. There is one food colour that is very good for your health. We're going to focus on that one today. That colour is purple.
Purple fruit and veg in general are beneficial. Think beetroot, blueberries, plums, red cabbage, red onions, aubergine. Because the anthocyanin or chemical which provides their colour is a powerful antioxidant. So what are antioxidants? Well, they are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. These are unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. Essentially, they are very important for us to eat. They also have other properties that are incredibly important for our health and well-being. Some studies have shown that purple foods can have an anti-inflammatory effect on us, and they can help protect our hearts. The humble aubergine, or eggplant, is part of the nightshade group of foods and are, by definition, a fruit. The skin, though, of aubergines are particularly good for us and are a highly versatile food. Chef Hasna demonstrated a beautiful ratatouille for us on Monday. She incorporated lightly fried aubergines with an array of vegetables. It is a wholesome and very nutritious dish. The dish can be made in advance and will keep in the fridge in a container for several days. It is a good way to get families and children to eat the purple skin of aubergines and to have their 5 a day, as you can use whatever vegetables you have at home. This classic Turkish dish uses the aubergine in a slightly different way, baking it and then filling it with onions, pepper, tomatoes, herbs and spices. The aubergine's meaty texture gives depth to the dish. How about roasting or grilling the aubergine? You could then top it with spiced yogurt, rocket and pomegranate seeds. If you don't have access to any of these ingredients, you could try lemon rind or other citrus fruits. Remember, these are just ideas that you can adapt to your preference. It's about bringing together as many different colours and flavours as you can. There are lots of other purple foods you can also try, and roasting them in olive oil or rapeseed oil in your oven is a good simple option. Red onions and beetroots roast very well. You can add any vegetables you like. Herbs and spices and garlic will help to enhance the dish. Beetroots are another super purple food that I would encourage you to try. They are low in calories and a great source of nutrients, vitamin C and fibre. They may also help to lower your blood pressure. If you have access to a juicer, you can make beetroot juice from the shop-bought pre-cooked versions. Beetroot also adds a lovely colour and sweetness to hummus. Hasna showed us all how to make this last week. If you add half a ready-cooked beetroot to the dish, it will work really well. Artichokes are also a good choice as a purple food. They again contain the important antioxidants and are high in a large number of vitamins, minerals, importantly folate, and fibre. Artichokes work well as part of a mezze plate that we talked about last week, especially when they're roasted. If you prefer to get your purple foods in the form of fruits, then there are several to choose from. Plums are extremely nutritious, with a wide variety of health benefits, and are small enough for children to enjoy, as they're not too sweet and not too bitter. Alternatively, you can eat plums in their dried form, prunes. Whichever you prefer, both plums and prunes are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, fibre and antioxidants. Additionally, they have several characteristics that may help reduce the risk of many chronic diseases such as osteoporosis, cancer, heart disease and diabetes. When it comes to the star of purple fruits, it really has to go to the blueberry. They are the king of antioxidants. They have been shown to increase antioxidant levels in your body. Research from the University of Manchester also found that people eating purple-coloured fruits, such as blueberries, could help ward off Alzheimer's and other diseases because it soaks up harmful iron compounds. Professor Douglas Kell said that in order to protect the body from these harmful iron compounds, it's important to ingest nutrients which detoxify the iron. Purple fruits are an excellent source of this, alongside green tea and other brightly coloured fruits and vegetables. Blueberries are great fresh, or they can be cooked into cakes or muffins. One great way to eat berries is as a smoothie. It is quick and easy to make. The frozen fruit packs, which are widely available in supermarkets, are quick and easy to use. Mix the berries with milk, yoghurt or water. So for today's cooking demonstration, I'm going to make a beetroot salad with quinoa. It is a tasty, low GI dish that is super healthy and packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, and good, healthy fats.
So for salad, I prepared the quinoa according to the packet instructions. You could also use couscous or you could use bulgur wheat, whatever you like and whatever you have at home. I've chopped and prepared the beetroot. It was a ready cooked beetroot from the supermarket. I put some lemon juice on it. I have some olives, and on these I've added some olive oil, and I've chopped some herbs onto it that I had at home. I've added rosemary and thyme, and I've put a bit of garlic in there as well. I have some nuts which have been toasted. I have pumpkin seeds and I have pine nuts. You could also use pistachios. They will add a nice texture to the top. We have some dill and we have some parsley. Salt, chopped garlic, some lemon rind. I'm going to quickly show you how to make the dressing that goes onto the quinoa. You need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2. And into that you add your lemon rind that's been chopped, some garlic, and a pinch of salt. And if you like, you can add a little bit of honey, just to add a slight sweetness. And mix it all together. And the great thing about this dish is you can add whichever bits you like to your preference. Thank you. Thank you for watching today. I hope you found it interesting to watch and that I have inspired you to try some colourful foods this week. Do let us know what you think and which purple foods you are going to try. Sharing on the WhatsApp group is the best way to do this. I look forward to hearing about your dishes. Until next week, thank you and goodbye.